Today we're diving into Tiny11, a lightweight version of Windows that promises a faster experience on older hardware. But is it really worth the hype? Let's explore what Tiny11 offers and if it's a good fit for your needs. Tiny11 is designed to provide a stripped-down version of Windows 11, targeting users who want a faster OS without the bloat of unnecessary features. The core functionality remains intact, allowing users to run essential apps while significantly reducing the system resource footprint. This makes it particularly appealing for older computers or devices with limited hardware capabilities. The user experience is relatively straightforward, mimicking the familiar Windows interface while optimizing performance. However, you might notice that some features are missing, like certain pre-installed apps and services that come with the full version. If you're someone who values a clean, efficient workspace, Tiny11 might feel refreshing. That said, there's a bit of ambiguity surrounding support and updates. The official Tiny11 site does not provide clear information on how frequently updates will be rolled out or how security will be maintained. This could be a concern for users who prioritize system security. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Tiny11 excels in speed and efficiency, making it perfect for older machines. It's lightweight, allowing for a smoother experience and quicker boot times. For users looking to breathe new life into aging hardware, this could be a game changer. However, the downsides are notable. The lack of certain features and applications might frustrate users accustomed to the full Windows experience. Additionally, the uncertainty around updates and support raises trust concerns, especially for those who rely on their OS for daily tasks. It's also worth noting that Tiny11 may not suit gamers or power users who need all the bells and whistles of a full Windows installation. In conclusion, Tiny11 is a solid choice for anyone looking to optimize an older device with a lightweight OS. However, if you depend on specific Windows features or require regular updates, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but approach with a clear understanding of its limitations.